Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get fast money into your business. So keep watching to the end because you really want to know how this strategy works. Now, I'm going to assume if you're watching a video like this, you're probably a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or business owner of some sort. Now, if that is you, make sure that you do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. I've got new content every single day on scaling and marketing a business. And while you're there, do me a quick favor, do this right now. Give me a quick like on this video as well, because that helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Now, I'm James, as I said, I've been in business 17 years. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as a business owner. And along the way, I've discovered something very, very special called the Business Accelerator methodology. Now that helps me take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from me again and again and again. And I teach you on this channel how you can do that too. I've also got a book on how to do that, Expert Mastery, which I'll give you a free copy of in the description. So go and check that out while you're here. Now, as I said, I'm going to teach you how to get good cash flow into your business fast. And one of the powerful strategies to do that is to do something called a flash sale. Now, if you're in the UK, have you heard of DFS? You know, the sofa guys, right? Maybe you recall them. And DFS have a sale all the time, right? Constantly, they have a sale. And so that means that it's not very effective, is it? Because you know that whether you go there today, tomorrow, or in a year from now, they will always have a sale on. So that doesn't mean that there's much scarcity. There's not real reason to buy a product or service. Now, if you think about Apple, instead of that, Apple very rarely have sales. They do have sales. You might not think that they do, but they do have sales. Sometimes they do Black Friday, and they do small little sales throughout the year. Now, when Apple do a sale, because it doesn't happen very often, people take it seriously. They take action. And that's what you need to do too. Now, in our business, we use flash sales to just get people to take some action and get a product or service. And so what we do is we pick a product and we reduce that significantly for a period of time. So we're talking like 3 or 4 days maximum, right? We're not going to run this for a long period of time. And it's going to be a no-brainer offer. Absolutely no price that we've ever sold at before. We reduce that, and then we get lots of sales in off the back of that. Now, once people have bought that product or service, we then say, well, would you like to add this to your cart as well? And we offer some other stuff at a discount as well, which brings the cart value up significantly, right? Because if we just relied on the cash flow from the flash sale, we wouldn't make much money. Maybe a few hundred quid, maybe a few thousand quid if we were lucky. But it's the upsells that we offer people. Now, they don't have to take those, right? They don't have to take those, but enough people do, which makes it worthwhile. So flash sales we do for very limited periods of time. They're genuine as well. And we train our lists that they're genuine. So often when we run a flash sale, people will email us afterwards and say, hey, look, I didn't actually get that because I was busy. And we just say, look, unfortunately, that was the sale and you'll have to look out for it next time. We take it away from people. Whereas some people would be like, oh, I'll just let them have it anyway. And that's not fair on the people that did take action at the time. So when you run a sale, it needs to be genuine. It needs to be something that you're happy to remove once you've completed it. Because if you don't do that, then people won't take you seriously the next time you do it. Now, how can you keep flash sales relevant and keep putting them in front of people? Well, we rotate different products. So sometimes we do a flash sale on an Instagram course. Sometimes it's on a Google course or a Facebook course. We're not going to keep promoting the same thing. So if we've got our Instagram flash sale, it might be a year until we bring that back. We're not going to bring it back a month later or 2 months later, because then people, again, they see that and they're like, well, I'll just wait till next time. If you don't make genuine scarcity, if you don't make it so they really know that they must take action now, then they won't. They'll be indifferent to it and they'll just wait until you do it the next time. Or maybe they'll just keep waiting until next time and never take action at all. Now, flash sales are a great way to get people activated as a customer. And that's why we do it in our business. We give massive value with those products and hope that they'll ascend and buy mentoring and stuff like that from us in the future. So I want you guys to think about, how could you use a flash sale in your business? Maybe if you need some help with that, comment below, or even just comment below just to say, hi, I want to get to know more people on this channel. Like I said, do give me a quick like on this video and subscribe as well. We've got tons of content on growing and scaling a business. And if you really want to grow the business, do go and grab a copy of Expert Mastery. So I'll put a link in the description so you can grab a free copy of that now. So do that now, and I'll see you guys very soon. A great playlist will come up at the end of this with 5 steps to getting more leads and sales. So also check that out. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.